Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Play DK64. We're in the cave. We had videos on the TV. I mean, the camera.
I thought I could just... I thought I would hold on to it automatically.
Dodge those exploding flames.
Again.
Yeah, you got gold banana. Yeah, you guys before the game we're doing a Let's Play on.
Yep. I'm Scruffy, the janitor.
Oh yeah, that was. I don't know how that happened. Nice. It was the same type of bounce when you go off the llama.
Stupid.
Now we're missing his everyone.
How do I get down from here?
Try Z. Try like.
Yeah, okay, Z worked.
You just fall off. I think you start back in the game.
I'm gonna fall off.
I think you get hurt. There's like you have infinite lives.
Yeah.
Pretty much get healed.
So we just need Chunkies, everyone?
Yeah.
Ready?
Robots for everyone. Nah. Bananas for everyone.
What port do I need to take?
4. It's across the river. Across the river, I say!
Banana port.
Do that. Try back up and okay. You have to jump from the trees.
Yeah, from this tree. Get away from me, beavers. Yay.
Oh, you just have everyone. I know where it is. Go like back out of here.
Why?
Like out of don't take the 4. Go like out. And then go left.
Okay. My left or Chunky's left?
They're the same left.
Not if he's facing this way. Some tiny nanners over here. Some Lanky.
There's a lot of balloons. I remember the commercial from DK64. It's like it shows Chunky shooting pineapples, and then it goes to someone's pond, and someone throws a pineapple at her.
There.
Pick up the ball with relative ease.
Relative ease.
Need 1 balloon.
Or 2 bunches.
Or 10 bananas.
No, it's not gonna be 10 bananas. Where's Snags?
What about funkies?
Okay, where should I go?
Right from here. I'll take you to the port. Just run.
Why is Chunky so slow? Now from the port?
Yeah, and then go. And then wait, go across the river.
All the way across?
Yeah. Mm. Take the number 2. Other way. Go! Oh, okay, maybe it's supposed to go.
I see.
Okay, when you go right, when you go the way to take the banana port, go the other way, I think.
When I do what?
When you go to the banana port, take the other way.
Which banana port? 2.
And like go. You go across the river. Don't take the banana port and just. Don't take the number 4 banana port. Go the other way and just walk.
Oh, okay. Oh, chunky. So left?
Yeah, left. Right.
Yeah, I think this goes faster.
Goo. Goo. Win. Tien. Nien. Woo. Si. Zi. Fi. Bo. Thi. Tu. Now you just need to donate to Splat, which is right there. Where are Tiny Silver going in the mail? Oh yeah, there's the one in the hive. There's like a Splat. Then who knows? What is it?
How many do we have for Tiny?
2. One's like a Splat, one you just need to donate that. One is the beehive.
Okay.
And where's the other one? Or where's the other one?
I get it. Anyway, who should we be now? That's all of Chunky's, right?
Yeah. Tiny.
Yeah, why didn't we get the beehive? Oh, we're gonna do something with Chunky.
We're gonna do the clutch. See if we can get the bonita. Those Donkey Kong.
I saw 5 somewhere else, but I forget where. Or at least, they were single bananas, so. I don't remember exactly where. But it was probably 5 single bananas. Oh yeah, I think I remember.
Where?
Where they go to the 2 banana port? Oh yeah, we spent them on Trough and Scoff. That's why he's only got 35. The other 2.
Ooh, those are Chunky's last ones.
Oh yay! You can go to the other 2 banana ports faster, right? Or you can go this way. Yes.
Yeah. I don't listen to anyone else except when I do.
And then to your left.
My left.
I think they're over there.
cave?
Yeah, they should be at the entrance of the cave. There's some Diddies. How many do we need of Diddies?
I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.